Pilot. That normally gets a cheer from the girls in the audience. So if you want to cheer Kirsty Moore, she's run 3 this year and sits just on the leader's left-hand side. Kirsty was born in RAF Nocton Hall in Lincolnshire and is the daughter of a former Tornado GR1 navigator who saw operational service in the first Gulf War in 1990 to 91. It was her father that inspired Kirsty to join the Royal Air Force to be a pilot. He was serving on 27 Squadron at RAF Murham. She spent her school summer holidays in the crew room there, providing advice to the crews who were coming there. Instructor at RAF Valley, which is where we teach our new fast jet pilots how to fly Hawks, by the Red Arrows, and she's also seen on 13th Squadron at RAF Murham, and her operational service was over Iraq. The pilots now have taken the shape of tango formation, an unforgiving formation, this one. The 2 straight lines that make up this T-shape mean that the smallest errors in position are visible to us on the ground here. So they're all working particularly hard to maintain that perfect T-shape as they come round the corner here. So, if you fancy giving them a big round of applause, the smoke comes on here, please do so. This is tango formation.